Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This week we'll be going through lesson 5 of the basic Tajweed rules. Lesson 5 is to lengthen for 2 to 3 seconds. There are a couple of types of lengthening. These are called mad. The short mad is 2 to 3 seconds in length and looks like a wavy line and is thin in appearance. Let us take a look at the examples. ما أعبد الذي أطعمهم فلا أقسم. In each of these, we are lengthening the short mad for 2 to 3 seconds. The circled area, we are lengthening for 2 to 3 seconds in each example. Now we will continue on with a few more examples to help us understand and practice this short mad that we have to lengthen for 2 to 3 seconds. Repeat after me. إلى أهله هؤلاء كلا إن كتاب فيها أحقاب وما أدراك تدعوننا بآياتنا بني إسرائيل معه أطعمه فقالوا عبس وتولى أوحينا منها أعيد ترجعونها خزنتها إنما ظننا. So there's quite a few examples here, but just keep in mind that some of these examples, for example, عبس وتولى, the short mad on the end, on the lam, will only apply when you're continuing on to the next ayah. So there are some examples that are like that, but we will understand when you're reciting in the Quran and when we see these words in the Quran. From this lesson, it is very important that we learn the difference between the two types of mad below. The first one, short mad, thin and wavy, 2 to 3 seconds in length. This is how we should remember it. ما أعبد, so 2 to 3 seconds in length. And the next mad is the long mad, which is thick and in a semicircle shape, which will be lengthened for 4 seconds, so 4 seconds in length. إذا جاء, so ما أعبد, 2 to 3 seconds, and إذا جاء, 4 seconds in length. Let us practice this lesson and perfect our mad, our short mad and our long mad next week. We will be going on to the long mad. We will practice a few examples of the long mad. جزاكم الله خيرا وأحسن الجزاء.